Hi children, I hope everyone is fine at your respective places. Today, I would like to teach you grammar part. It is useful for all learners, even from 6th standard to up to the higher level. It is very useful. Let us see active and passive voice. Active voice means that a sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. Passive voice means that a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. So here, active voice, subject acts upon its verb. In passive voice, subject is a recipient of a verb's action. So you may have learned that the passive voice is weak and incorrect, but it is a wrong concept. When we use correctly and in moderation, the passive voice is fine. In English grammar, verbs have 5 properties: voice, mood, tense, person, and number. Here we are concerned with voice. The two grammatical voices are active and passive. What's the difference between active and passive voice? Children, please observe clearly. What's the difference between active and passive voice? Active voice, when the subject of a sentence performs the verb's action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. Here we can see the verb's action. Sentences in the active voice have a strong, direct and clear tone. Remember very clearly, active voice have a strong, direct and clear tone. Now let us see examples of active voice. Monkeys adored bananas. The cashier counted the money. The dog chased the squirrel. All 3 sentences have a basic active voice construction. When you observe it very clearly, you can find it out. Monkeys adored bananas. The cashier counted the money. The dog chased the squirrel. Now let us see subject, verb and object. The subject, the cashier, performs the action described by counted. The subject, the dog, performs the action described by chased. So here the subjects are doing. They take action in their sentences. Okay, so this action makes the sentence strong and clear tone, so we can say it is an active voice. Now we can see passive voice. A sentence in the passive voice, on the other hand, when the subject is acted on the verb. Passive voice. A sentence, passive voice. A sentence is in the passive voice. On the other hand, when the subject is acted on by the verb. The passive voice is always constructed with a conjugated form of to be plus the verb's past participle. That's why I have given these two in red mark in the second point. The passive voice is always constructed with a conjugated form of to be plus the verb's past participle. Doing this usually generates a preposition as well. Now let us see passive voice examples. Bananas are adored by monkeys. The money was counted by the cashier. The squirrel was chased by the dog. So when we use these three sentences in active voice, we have seen that the verb's action. Now here we can see by monkeys, by the cashier, by the dog. So let's take a closer look at the first pair of sentences, and now you can observe the difference. Now the active sentence consists of monkeys, subject, adore, verb, bananas, object. The passive sentence consists of bananas, object, plus are adored, a form of to be plus the past participle adored, plus by preposition, plus monkeys, subject. So here subject has changed into object, object has changed into subject. Here past participle is added and preposition by is added. Making the sentence passive, flip the structure and necessitated the preposition by. In fact, all three of the transformed sentences above required the addition of by. See these three sentences, we can confirm that there is a clearly change in active voice tone and passive voice tone. We have very common rule to change from active to passive. It is a general rule. We have to bring the object first, choose correct be form of the verb. Here be form of the verb in the sense that is exact form of the helping verb according to the tense. Change the verb into past participle and we have to add the preposition by, and finally we need a subject that which we are taking from the object. Okay, so here subject changes as object, object changes as a subject, and we have added be form according to the tense and we have added the preposition by. Example sentence you can see here, she helps him. It is simple present tense. So according to this tense we have added is helped, and according to rule we added by. She helps him changed as he is helped by her. She helps him is active voice, he is helped by her is passive voice. So let us see some more techniques according to the tense, how we have to change active to passive in the next class.